Welcome to Magna Voice. We'll walk you through the desktop dashboard so you can see how to find your way around and take part in conversations. When you log in, you'll land on the home page. This is your starting point. It brings together everything happening across Magna Voice. Across the top, you'll find tabs for Home, My Tasks, News, Support, Points, and FAQs. These help you access quick information and help sections. You'll also see icons for messages, private notifications, and access to personalize your profile. There is a button to help you log out if you wish to. This is the place where you can update your screen name, manage your password, or choose whether you want to receive emails. These might be notifications to join new activities or the monthly newsletter. You can also personalize your public profile. You can also add or remove a profile picture and see your points. Sending a private message is easy. Click the Messaging tab at the top of your dashboard. You'll see two sections, Inbox and Sent Messages. Start a new message. Select New Message, add your subject and your message. Write a clear subject line and then type your message in the box below. To send your message when you're ready, click Send. Your message will appear in Sent Messages and the person will see it in their inbox. Quick polls. Here you can share your views instantly. For example, you might see a question like, how well do we listen and communicate? With live results showing how others have responded too. Community chat is where members connect. You'll find open topics that bring people together around themes beyond housing. That might be like sharing a recipe, to favourite local spots, or celebrating small moments. You can read, react, or add your own ideas to the conversation. Under My Tasks, this section lists any surveys or activities you've been invited to join. This might be shaping policies or sharing your thoughts on new ideas through surveys. Once you've completed a survey, the item will disappear from My Tasks. The latest news. At the bottom, you'll see updates from Magna, from new opportunities to get involved, from stories across the community, to sharing what we're learning. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop us an email at hello@magnavoice.org.uk.